Okay, the first problem we're going to look at is going to involve rounding with decimals. Now, like we've discussed in class, rounding with decimals is no different than rounding with whole numbers. Same rules apply, just a few different small differences here and there. Ken's average points per game was 16 and 79 hundredths last season. What is this number rounded to the nearest tenth? We know right here we're rounding to the nearest tenth. So, Ken's average points per game was 16 and 79 hundredths last season. What's this number rounded to the nearest tenth? Write our number down, 16 and 79 hundredths. We're rounding to the nearest tenth. Label our places just to help us keep everything straight. We should be rounding to this place right here. The 7 is in the 10th place. So we underline it, box in what's to the right. The 7 is going to have two options. It can either stay a 7 or become an 8. The decimal and everything in front of it will remain. The 9 will become a 0. And it's also where we look to make our decision. Now the rhyme we use in class is 5 or more, raise the score, 4 or less, let it rest. If we look at 9, we see that it's 5 or more, which means it's going to raise the score, meaning it's going to have the 7 become an 8. So we have 16 and 8 tenths as an answer. Now, one way we've also discussed looking at this in class is on a number line. So if you don't want to do that method, you can try the number line, which, as we drew it in class, we would have 16 and 7 tenths right here, and we would have 16 and 8 tenths. In between would be 16 and 75 hundredths. Now, if we're going to put our number on our number line, 16 and 75 hundredths, so you're looking at somewhere right about here would be 16 and 79 hundredths. That is closest to 16 and 8 tenths. So either one of these methods would work. Either way, you're able to figure out that his points would round to 16 and 8 tenths.